Good morning, friends. It's going to be a spicy one today. Had about 1.5 inches of snow last night, and we're going up the Hancocks, which straight up and straight down. Hopefully the weather will clear. You ready for this, Pammy? All right, let's do it.
The Hancocks are a game of two halves. We started with 3 miles of flat, rhythmic woods walking along the Cedar Brook Trail. But this wasn't a solo mission today. I organized this hike through the New Hampshire 48 Hiking Buddies Facebook group, and I linked up with Mark along with his dog Tristian. Mark is currently working his way through the 48, restarting his list so that Tristian can earn his patch alongside him. At the trailhead, we met another hiker named John Mark and his dog Copper. John Mark is a veteran out here working the grid, but as any hiker knows, there's always something new to learn. The three of us and the 2 pups stuck together for the duration. Once we hit the loop, the grade spiked. I didn't get a lot of footage of the actual climb. When the snow's soft and the pitch is steep, keeping your footing and keeping your grip takes priority over using a camera. It was a kick-in kind of morning, step by grueling step, moving toward peak number 30 for the win.
Well, all right, Pammy. Here we are at the summit. That's right. That's right. And I was afraid we might not get any views, but we definitely got some interesting views. You want to see them? Okay, let's look at them. That's right, buddy. We're above some of the clouds. I don't know what that peak is right over there peeking out, but that's really cool. Yeah, I did not mean that as a pun. Sorry, buddy. Well, we still got another summit, but this makes number 30 for winter. We'll get 31 on the way, and then we'll head down, and that'll be it for the weekend. But this is a tough one to come up. It's really steep. I'm not a wimp. I'm the one doing all the work. You're welcome. Aw. Well, these two didn't wait. I thought I saw another one.
The ridge between North and South Hancock was a bit of a whiteout today, with clouds sitting heavy right where the views should be. But having the group together made the miles fly by. Between the 3 of us, we had a wide range of experience to draw from. John Mark and I spent a good portion of the ridge teaching each other, swapping trail knowledge and winter tips. It's one of the best parts about these group hike. You always walk out with a little more knowledge than you walked in with.
We did it, Pammy. Summit of South Hancock. Yeah, unfortunately the clouds came back down, so we got no views from this one. There's a viewpoint off that way, but I'm not going to bother to go because I can't see, 20 feet that way. It's just not worth it. But we did it. This is number 31 for winter. All I got to do now is get back to the car under my own power, and I will have 17 to go. Hemi told me good job. You must be getting soft. Don't push it.
After tagging South Hancock for number 31, it was time for the express route down. The snow was a bit loose for a true speed run, but we found some solid slides to go through. I spent a good chunk of this descent giving Mark and John Mark a quick masterclass in safe butt sledding. It was their first time really sending it on a steep winter descent like this, and watching them and the dogs navigate the luge was easily the highlight of the day. Safety first, of course, but there's no better way to save the knees on a multi-thousand-foot drop.
There we go. Look out, dog. I'm building up speed. The butt sledding wasn't as good as I'd hoped, but it was better than I'd feared. And we sure got down quick, didn't we, guys? I have converted a new butt sledder. But we still got about 3 miles to get back to the car. Probably should have taken the stupid helmet off. So, more to come. But not a lot more. It's pretty flat. Well, we're almost back to the cars. So I'm going to close this out. It was a good hike. I always find the buddy hikes to be interesting because you never know who's going to show up and what their skill level is. Sometimes I learn a thing or two. Sometimes I teach a thing or two. Sometimes both. But thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the views. I know Pemmy did. And as always, don't forget to chase your dreams, challenge your limits, and choose joy. Azimuth out.